Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically learning about XRP and how to invest in it. We'll also touch on day trading and how to get started. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about XRP. XRP, or Ripple, is a digital asset and a payment protocol that was created to enable fast, secure, and low-cost international money transfers. It's a popular cryptocurrency that's been around for quite some time. Now, let's move on to day trading. Day trading is a strategy where you buy and sell assets within the same day, usually within a few hours. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy that requires a lot of knowledge and practice. If you're interested in day trading, it's crucial to educate yourself and practice with a demo account before diving in with real money. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!